Hey everyone, Gil here, Grayman Prepping. Well, I'm doing a prepper haul for April, the first one for April, and I'm also throwing in with it a garden spring haul as well. So let's get over and see the stuff that I got for my haul. All right, one of the things that I'm not including on this because I did an unboxing is the seeds I got from MI Gardener today. So first place I went was Home Depot, and I got four. I thought I had five, but I guess I just only grabbed four. Let me double check my receipt here. My receipt says, yep, four. Okay, so I got four of these. These are 6 foot tall, the large diameter stakes, but they have a really cool top here on it. So I can hook strings over or whatever I need to do to help plants grow up. So I got five of those, or four of those. They were $5.98 each, and I need to put one with the tomato that I got in there in the blue 15-gallon tub, and I'm going to need to put one in there with the cucumber that I've put into a thing that I haven't done a video on yet. Then I also got two more of these trays to go underneath some of the 10-gallon pots that I have. So I already got two of them in there right now, stuff going in there, and I'll do a video later on that. But I got I got two more of those, and those were, come on, focus right. Whoa, okay. They were $9.99 each. They had it mismarked, and I didn't catch that. They had it in a place where it said it was 5 something. Oh well. All right, the next place I went to was Sam's Club. And at Sam's Club, I just got, let me see here. I just got two sets of items. So I got the milk and the butter. The grandsons have been loving the doing toast and also to having soda crackers with butter on it. So, but I've been whittling down my butter for the last year, and so it's time I get some more butter. And I got 2 gallons of milk. The milk was $3.66. The 4-pound packages of butter were $13.62 each. All right. Then I went to Costco, and my daughter asked me to pick up a couple of boxes of the cheese pizzas because the grandson just absolutely love it. They go through 2 pizzas at a shot, and so basically it's just going to be four dinners for them, and those are $11.79 each. I also grabbed 2 5-pound bricks of Tillamook cheese, and that is, this is insane. This, I'm gonna have to start limiting the boys on how much cheese they have. This is $20.99, so $21 per 5-pound brick. Still cheaper for the 5-pound than it is to get 2.5 pounds. Then I got some Hebrew National beef franks, and that was $13.89. Price is going up on those again. And then I got 2 of the fully cooked bacon, and the bacon is now $15.99. It went up $1 from the last time I got it. It's still cheaper than Sam's Club for it, and it's a lot better. So that's my prepper haul and garden haul there for April, and we will see you in the next video or live stream.